In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the voicemail notification sound on your Android device. The voicemail notification sound is the alert that plays when you receive a new voicemail message. By default, Android devices come with a standard notification sound for voicemails, but you can easily customize it to your liking. To get started, open up the phone app on your Android device, and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Voicemail. And then tap Notifications. Tap Sound. Now you have the ability to select the voicemail notification sound. Just scroll down and tap on any of these sounds. It will play a little preview of what it's going to sound like, and if you like that sound, you can just select it and leave it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.